Hey everyone, Brandon Weigel here, grain and feed market advisor with Ever.Ag. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update. We had the big January WASDE report and quarterly grain stocks update today, this morning at 11 a.m. Central. We had some fireworks for sure. Not only did we see the corn balance sheet get cut much more than expected, but we actually saw that balance sheet be trimmed from 1.738 billion bushels in the December report to 1.54 billion bushels here in the January WASDE. So that is a very bullish report as we look at the old crop corn market. It starts walking us back into that territory of $5 corn futures if we see the right things continue to line up. Now, that big cut to the ending stock numbers was ultimately caused by a reduction in yield. So we got the final yield numbers from the 2024 fall harvest today. Corn yields came in at 179.3 bushels per acre versus the 183.1 that was expected in December. So we're starting to see this big divergence here between old crop and new crop prices. Old crop balance sheet is very tight. We've started to see that start to narrow up on the back of very strong demand, both in the export market, the ethanol market, and now this tightening production number on the yield cut. Whereas new crop, you haven't seen that market move a whole lot. There are expectations for larger corn acreage numbers next year, and we just haven't started to see that price take as much hold here over the last several weeks. On the soybean side of things, we also got a positive response for prices out of that report. The soybean balance sheet was cut from 470 million bushels in December to 380 million bushels here in the January WASDE. That was also due to a cut to yield. Our final yield for the 2024 harvest came in at 50.7 bushels per acre versus the 51.7 expected in December. We didn't see much of an adjustment to the demand categories. So as we look at beans, yes, we saw a positive price response out of the report. I would say while it is supportive for beans, we still have to lay that against the backdrop of the largest global soybean balance sheet that we've ever seen. That market is likely going to continue to face more supply-driven headwinds, where near term here, corn buyers are going to be looking to try and get their ducks in a row and try and make sure that they've got the corn that they need as that balance sheet has continued to tighten. Be interesting to see how this all breaks out. If you guys have questions, thoughts, concerns on how to approach this 2024 old crop market and how to approach the 2025 new crop market as we start doing planning and prep work there, make sure you reach out.